Hi everyone, it's Thuha. Welcome back to a new hair tutorial. Today, I'm bringing you 3 beautiful hairstyles that are inspired by popular symbols associated with Valentine's Day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Without further ado, let us get started. The first hairstyle is this romantic rose braid. To start, grab a small section at the top on one side to create a lace French braid. To do this, divide your section into 3 and put the outer sections over the middle. As you go down, only add hair to the section closest to your face. When you get to your ear, you can stop adding hair and braid all the way down. From here, you're going to gently pull on the sides of your braid to create flower petals. You only have to do this to the side that's closer to your face. Once that's done, tie off your braid and roll into a bun going towards the back. Make sure the flower petals are showing on the outside. Place your braided rose behind your ear and secure it with a few bobby pins, and you're done! This hairstyle is elegant and romantic, perfect for a date night. Since it shows off one side, I recommend wearing it with an off-shoulder dress or some gorgeous earrings. When I think of Valentine's Day, I see hearts all around, so this next hairstyle really embodies that spirit. Begin by taking 2 small sections in the front and twist them back. Tie them with a thin elastic. Now, grab a small section at the front and pull it up behind your half-do. Then, use your other hand to grab the section and pull it down to form a loop, and it should make half of a heart. Secure the section with a bobby pin for now. Let's repeat this to the other side. Pull your section up and then use your other hand to pull it down to make the other half of the heart. From here, you can remove the pin from earlier, make sure your heart is even, and tie the ends together. And that's it! This hairstyle is soft and sweet. This would be great for a date, a girls' night out, or even school and work if you want to be festive. This last hairstyle is a bowl half-do. Start by tying 2 front sections in the back with a thin elastic. On the last tie, only pull part of your hair through to get a little bun. Go ahead and split this into 2 equal sections and gently pull them in opposite directions. Shape one side of your bowl and secure it with a few bobby pins, making sure that it lays flat against your head. Repeat these steps to the other side. If you have a sparkly pin or a stud earring, you can place it right in the middle to make your bowl stand out more. This hairstyle is not only cute, but it turns you into a present. So that concludes all of the hairstyles that I have for today. Although they're inspired by Valentine's Day, these hairstyles are great for other special occasions throughout the year. I really hope you like them, and if you give any of them a try, don't forget to wear them with your beautiful smile. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Toodles!